How to use GoCard California. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video presentation, I'll be discussing about using a GoCard California prepaid card, which is quite simple. First of all, you have to activate your card by following the instructions provided. This typically involves calling a toll-free number or visiting the GoCard California website and entering your details. Before using your GoCard California, it ensures that it has enough funds. You can load money into your card through various methods such as direct deposit, bank transfer, cash reload at participating retailers, or mobile check deposit if available. Once your GoCard California is funded, you can use it to make purchases in the store, online, or over the phone where debit cards are accepted. Simply swipe or insert your card at the point of the cell terminal and enter your PIN if required. For online or phone transactions, enter your card details as you would with a credit or a debit card, and keep an eye on your GoCard California balance to avoid declined transactions and overdraft fees. You can check your balance online through the GoCard California website or mobile app by calling the customer service or at an ATM if possible. Create an online account with the GoCard California to manage your card, view transaction history, check your balance, and more. This helps you to stay informed about your spending and effectively manage your finances. As you use the funds on your GoCard California, you may need to reload it regularly to keep using it. Reload options include direct deposit, bank transfer, cash reload at participating retailers, or mobile check deposit if available. If your GoCard California goes missing or is stolen, report it to the issuer immediately to safeguard your funds. Most issuers offer 24/7 customer service for the stolen or lost cards. You might qualify for a replacement card, but fees and restrictions may apply. Understand the fees and terms linked to your GoCard California, including monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, reloading fees, and any other applicable charges. Knowing these fees can help you reduce cost and maximize your card's benefits. By following the steps and guidelines, you can effectively use your GoCard California prepaid card for everyday purchases and manage your finances smoothly. So if you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.